Perplexity Pro versus free Perplexity. Is Pro worth it? Choosing the right AI search assistant can transform how you find answers without wasting time. We'll briefly explore Perplexity Pro and the free version to help you decide. Perplexity Pro and free Perplexity is Pro both offer AI-powered search experiences, but the core difference lies in features and access. The Pro version provides enhanced capabilities and priority access, while the free version delivers solid performance with some limitations. Perplexity Pro is the premium tier of the Perplexity AI search platform, designed for users who need faster, more reliable access and advanced features. It operates by combining AI-driven natural language processing with real-time web data to provide accurate contextual answers quickly. Its strengths include priority server access, fewer usage restrictions, and enhanced response quality, making it ideal for professionals, researchers, and power users who rely on detailed, timely information. However, Perplexity Pro requires a subscription, which might be a limitation for casual users or those on a budget. Additionally, while it offers more features, it depends on internet connectivity and the quality of source data, which can vary. Overall, Perplexity Pro suits users who want a premium AI search assistant with faster responses, higher limits, and improved accuracy for intensive use cases. Free Perplexity Pro offers a no-cost AI search assistant experience with many core functionalities of the platform. It uses the same AI technology to interpret queries and fetch relevant information, but comes with usage limits, slower response times during peak hours, and fewer advanced features. Its strengths lie in accessibility and cost-effectiveness, making it an excellent choice for casual users, students, and anyone exploring AI-powered search without commitment. However, the free version can face throttling, and some premium capabilities like priority access or extended query limits are unavailable. This means during high demand, users might experience delays or restricted usage. Free Perplexity Pro works well for those who want reliable AI search assistance without paying, but it may fall short in speed and feature depth compared to the Pro version. Comparing Perplexity Pro and free Perplexity Pro highlights a balance between performance and cost. Perplexity Pro excels in speed, priority access, and feature set, which benefits professionals needing consistent, high-quality results. In contrast, the free version is perfect for light users who want AI assistance without subscription fees, accepting slower responses and occasional limits. For example, a researcher conducting extensive queries will appreciate Pro's reliability, while a student doing occasional research may find the free tier sufficient. The trade-off comes down to budget and usage intensity. Pro provides a smoother, more powerful experience, but the free version remains a solid option for those wanting to test AI search capabilities or use them sparingly. Choose Perplexity Pro if you need fast, reliable AI search with advanced features and high limits for professional or heavy use. Free Perplexity Pro is a great starting point for casual users or those new to AI search. It delivers solid results without cost, making it ideal for light use. Ultimately, your choice depends on how much speed and capability you require.